60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin Yanis na we dey do, and all of us for 60 seconds with Femi we dey happy say yes, Nigeria Professional Football League na on Sunday e dey start. All of us dey ginger, we dey happy for that one, and we don dey draw ear of Nigeria club dem. Abeg, you see this team sheet, na one small club for Bodo Ibo na do am o. Make una dey do una own like this when match dey start. We no wan dey calculate, dey look players number, we no know who dem be. But wetin we wan talk today na Arsenal. Arsenal na wan talk today because for press conference yesterday, the coach of Arsenal wey name na Unai Emery aka Naya Emery, he say Arsenal no fit buy anybody this January, o say na only loan dem go fit loan player. We dey ask wetin dey happen? Na money wey Arsenal no get. We know say Arsenal na ogbonge rich club, na money wey Arsenal no get. Why una no wan buy anybody? And the fans dem of Arsenal, we dey ask una how una see this one wey una club talk say na only loan dem go fit loan, dem no go buy anybody. How you see am? Una think say una squad dey okay? Abi una dey chillax with the kind players wey una get for una squad? Abi you feel say make Arsenal add new player for inside their